Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm making some vegan banana and spirulina muffins. So I've got all the ingredients lined out here guys that I'm gonna use. This is a nice recipe, it's a nice treat. Or even if you're non-vegan, you can go ahead and you can bake this for your children, for your family, whatever. Like a little treat if you wanna go on a picnic, you know what I mean? So yes. So guys, over here I've got 3 bananas well ripe, so I'm gonna use those 3. I've got some baking soda, baking powder, spirulina, flour, cinnamon powder, some vanilla, coconut milk, sugar, and I've got some cashew milk. You can use any plant-based milk of your choice, and I've got some coconut oil here that I'm gonna be using. So what I'm gonna do now guys, I've got my bowl here, so I'm gonna break the banana in pieces. Just break them up, add it to the bowl right here. Can you see? And then yeah, I'm just gonna mash them, right? So we're just gonna you just break them up in pieces just like that. And make sure your hands clean guys, right? Yes, make sure your hands are clean. You don't want no dirty hand to cook with, right? Everything of it, hygiene, everything of it up. Yes. So those are the 3 bananas that I'm gonna use. Guys, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Just 2 tablespoons there. And I'm also gonna add the cinnamon in. This is all my dry ingredients. I'm gonna add a teaspoon of baking powder, and I'm also gonna add some spirulina, a teaspoon of spirulina, and then I'm gonna add my sugar. So I've got my sugar here. So yes, I don't want it too sweet, so I'm just gonna use just that amount of sugar. Just less than a cup of sugar, because the banana already sweet guys. So we're gonna combine all the dry ingredients together. You're gonna combine it all together guys. Make sure everything is incorporated together. While we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna mash the banana, right? So we're gonna mash the bananas guys. Guys, I've got my banana crushed. This is the consistency that you need. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna add the vanilla, and I'm also gonna add some coconut oil that already melted. I'm not gonna use no egg or anything in this. So I'm gonna do now guys, I'm gonna mix everything together. You know, you can use nutmeg, whatever of your choice. So we're gonna add so now guys, we're gonna add the milk. I'll remove this so you can see. I'm gonna add some milk in this the dry ingredients just to form, just to get it all, everything just mix before I added the banana. You don't want it too runny. You just want a nice texture. Smells so nice. So I'm gonna mix everything together guys and come back. The banana in guys. I'm gonna mix everything together. Now you don't want to over mix your butter, right? So we're just gonna mix in everything. Wow, you can see the spirulina guys. Yes, this is a nice treat. Make sure you mix the edges guys and the bottom so everything is mixed together. You don't want to make sure no flour or anything's left, right? Just mix in it. Smell good, guys, from the bottom. Make sure everything is incorporated. As I said, you don't want to leave nothing in there. Guys, this is the consistency you need. Yeah. Look at the color, guys. Wow. Yeah. So what we're gonna do now, I've got my muffin cakes here. We're gonna fill them up on the tray, and I'm trying to achieve 12. So we're gonna fill up these, guys. As I said, I want to get 12. I'm trying to get 12. So make sure you fill them up. If you wanna, you guys, you can add anything. I use 2.5 tablespoons of coconut oil. Oh, I'm gonna come mess up. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill this up, guys. So guys, this is how it looks now. So I'm gonna pop them in the oven for around 24 minutes, 24 minutes, and then yes, until it's done. Look at the spirulina, guys. It tastes so good. You know me, I feel like out the bowl. It tastes good. So guys, here's the finished product of my banana spirulina muffins. They taste so good, guys. These cupcakes are good, not muffin cupcakes. Yes, guys. Wow. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please turn the notification bell on so whenever I upload, you won't miss the video. So no, go and stay safe, guys. I know already health is wealth, and I'm gonna keep promoting that. So guys, no, go and big up on yourself, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Until then, bye.